Okay. So I'm live, and what I want to do is pick up where I left off, and that is setting up my Google Analytics so that these actually register. I want to see at least the home page. Anything else that's like server side rendered, kind of don't care, but at least the home page, I want to fix that up. Also, what we can do npm run start. What I'm looking at right here. It, oops, it's logging it. Hey, what's up, Pixel? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How's work going? Any better? Oh, well, you can be real here. Go ahead and tell me what's really going on. Oh, that's another thing. Sorry. This is what I want to update because I was looking at this. This part looks decent enough. Like I like this part right here a lot. This is okay, even though it looks generic. But this part, these measurable impacts, I want to change these percentages in particular because I don't like them at all. But then I may want to have two of these request demos. One at the bottom and another here. So, but I woke up without internet at home today and they said it would take 4 days. What the heck? Wait. Oh, I was about to say, how are you here then? But on a hotspot. Oh, the challenge part. Challenge. Why can I scroll? Oh, I'm already at the bottom. Whoops. The I would remove the red X's and change them to something else. Well, on mobile it doesn't look as good, but I need to find out somewhere or somewhere else to take this because on desktop it looks good side by side, but I don't have the room for it to really make sense scrolling wise on mobile. So yes, it doesn't look that great here, or maybe the wording can be better here to make the mobile side look good. But right here, it serves its purpose so well. I really like it because it communicates like, okay, this won't happen anymore, but then this is what you'll get. I like that so much. I may have to make a desktop version of this and then like a mobile version of this so it makes more sense scrolling. That may be what I do. Let me write that down. I got you. I got you. Let me catch up on Twitch though. It was actually really good. Really good improvements since the last day I saw it. Oh, thank you. Um, you can credit that to Claude Code. Since you last been here, I think I started using Claude Code a lot, and this is the work last night of Claude Code, like in a prompt. So I can still, do some things with it personally, like manually, but this is basically the second attempt from Claude Code. And I like it. I like it. But what I want to start implementing today, and funny enough, I used Claude to come up with this, was like instead of like having everything like be vibe coded, I'm gonna be stuck in plan mode the entire time. AI didn't tell me to do that, but like I got the idea from like brainstorming with Claude, just the chatbot Claude. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna have it give me code anymore or as much. I'm only gonna receive code if I'm stuck. What I'm gonna start doing is using the planning mode because the planning mode is really good. So I'm gonna start using that and use that as like a docket as to what I need to do, like taking it back to like elementary school, like I don't know if y'all had it, but like whenever you were a kid, there was an assignment and it was like, how do you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? And you had to write down the steps to primary school. Primary school. Um like there's an assignment and you had to like you didn't have primary? Like what is it called? Grade school. Well, okay, fine. But um you had to like list out step by step how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And basically I'm gonna use Claude Code's plan mode to do that instead of like just giving me code and me just like not understanding or fully understanding what's going into the code base. But yeah, I like what it's doing though. I'm gullible, I'm sorry. Job wise, every day I get even more disappointed. What? Wait, how what's the response time from the jobs? Or have any other jobs that you've applied to prior to today or recently answered back? What I want to do is focus on this. I don't know what this is doing. So like I need to go here, home. I need to do both of these. Actually, this doesn't work. And I don't know why. For some reason this access works, and I'm wondering what recipe management. No, 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 no. Access. This is a button. So make it a button. I don't want it to send me anywhere. What I want it to do is wait. It's do I have how do I do that? Open login modal and would that be a that would be it? This doesn't exist. Um log in? No, it's sign in. But I don't know if I have that imported or not. Like what is this doing? On hero click? Show login true. Uh what? User. See, this is the problem with like using AI. I have to like sift through a whole bunch of stuff that I didn't make. So I'm like learning a new code base on top of like trying to figure out something very, very basic. Like I need to manually make this code base before it gets way too out of hand. Um Also this can be refactored into something. So like for this login thing, mm-hmm, right here. Now, what does this say? On hero click. Where is the? Oh, this is track. No. What the heck? This is tracking events. Analytics service. How much of this? Oh, this is an entire thing. Okay. But like, click. Sign in button, click. On. Is there a on open? Login modal. Login component. Is there another login? No. Hmm. Log uploader. What the heck is this? I don't know what that is. Routes. That means nothing to me. Let's keep that like that. Now. What? Why would that throw an error? It was never used anywhere. So login modal close. Oops. Close. Maybe because what does this look like? Sign in. On click. I want this to show. Close drawer and show login. What? Show log. Oh. Oh. No. That's not a. Hmm. Sorry, I'm kind of blanking right now. Hold up. Because there's a closed drawer. I'm making a new. Does this mess this up? It did. Your login component. Make it show. Import that into the nav bar. Add a method to show it, and then. Oh, I was scared to do that though. Okay. Mm, yes. This makes sense. Open, close. Okay. That works. All right. I don't know what this is gonna look like. How much of this was changed? What the heck? Oh, the content is newer. Please compare your version. Compare it. And then do that. What's the problem? Oh, oops. What are you talking about? What is it ever used? It's interesting. Mm-mm. It's never showing it. Mm. It's that thing again. Because I have it. Nothing is showing up. Oh, I'm so upset. I am on the I'm on the live version of it, so it's not gonna work. I was like, what? Okay. That's been 30 minutes wasted. All right, cool. So it works. Thank you, Claude. Now, resume. Let's do that. Let's focus on that now. I shouldn't have taken that long. Okay. Um, thank you. Thank you. Bu- 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 what I'm looking at is now. Okay. Conversion funnel. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. I need both of these open. Content performance. Which features get most attention? Mm, hopefully, I can get this done. Oh, I'm gonna have to build a dashboard to see all this. I wouldn't be able to use Firebase for that. Let me walk you through finding and setting up proper tracking for your thermoforming app. Go here, sign in with that. What the heck? Never seen this before. Mm, mm, telecom. Recent. What the heck? Sign in with this. This is. What the heck? 7 days. Sign in. Oh, wait, it's not the thing. Okay. How would I set up a different project though? That's not making sense. If you haven't, you need to create one, create or find your property. If you already have, look for it in the drop down top left. What? Mm, mm, wait a minute. I know where it is now. It's this. Internet, telecom. Let's do that. Okay. How would I transfer ownership of this though? Admin. uh, Property details. Move property. Okay, fine. Because I'm looking at something at like all of the analytics. This is a lot to take in. Um, admin. No. You need to create one. Uh, Look for it in the property. Make sure. Not universal analytics. I don't know. Get my measurement ID. Go to, okay, I'm sorry, I was here. Admin, data streams, web. I can see. How the heck? Wait. Oh, I know how it did that. I know how it did that. Okay, fine. Um, verify current. If it matches, you're all set. Now, going back up here, what all did I leave? Now, how do I set up my goals? Configure, configure events, reports, explore. I don't see anything that says configure. Can you send me to the link? Of implementing. Wait, what? In my property. Okay, I'm just gonna put this on the screen because there's a lot. So, oh, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Is YouTube any better? How have you been, by the way? So, I'm so confused. Conversion. Okay. How's it going? And job hunting for what kind of role? Demo requested. All of these are in services, I believe. Please show up. Thank you. Analytics services, track event. Event name. Demo. Demo. Feature clicked. Feature card clicked. Feature card clicked. Oh, these are clickable. What do they do though? These do nothing. Been working through LeetCode's paid interviewing course. How's it going? I've never used that. How's that working out for you? Like, are you learning things? Mm. Like what? Do tell. I can't find this. User attributes, engagement, events? Is this what this is? Oh, this was not under any configure. Add filters. I don't care about that. Hash map sets. Just learned those today. Wow. Wow. So money well spent. How much is it again? Do you feel like, okay, today, if you were to go into an interview, or tomorrow, if you were to go into an interview and they interviewed you over those things, do you feel as though you will be able to pass it? It's 90 per month? Demo request up front. What's that pricing model? For how long? Demo requested. Scroll depth. That's weird. Landing page. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Hmm. Kind of interested in doing that now. Time on page. But I just started the chapter, haven't worked through the algorithms and problem sets yet. I'm sure I'll be okay after I finish the chapter. How long do you think it'll take to finish it? How long, how much time per day are you dedicating to learning or to using it? So putting in some good work. Sounds good. Sounds good. Demo request submitted. That's not a thing here. Benefit view, page view, featured event. Oh, my bad. My bad. My bad. My bad. How important do you think hash maps will be for you? Let's go. Okay, wait. Let me do this. Demo requested. I don't want to have to fill this whole thing out. 555 555 What manufacturing challenges are you looking to solve? A lot. Now, still not here. Interesting. Hmm. Oh. 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 See, I never understood time complexity. People, okay, I think that's like a big filter for like, but the difference between good programmers and so-so programmers is understanding time complexity and big O. I never understood it. The demo request submitted isn't here on my dashboard. How would I make it? Oh, whoops. I think it as can click the toggle next to as a conversion. You need to know it in interviews. Oh, so it's probably a good idea that I haven't been in any interviews. Won't appear until someone actually submits. I just did that though. Only shows events that have actually been fired since your homepage improvements are new. No one has submitted it yet. It needs to be triggered first. I just did it. Was there an error? Yeah, it just did it. Hello? Uh, just did it. So this is going up. Maybe some other ones that are going up. User acquisition? Is that it? No. No. App developer. Okay. I think I know why now. Today. So just today, I might have to like make it more real time. That sucks. Right now, if you look at your page view, session start, won't appear until triggered. This is normal GA4 behavior. How to make it appear, test it yourself. Go to your website when it's deployed. Fill out the demo form completely, submit the request, wait. I don't really want to do that. Sharing it locally, fill it out. Events will flow to, yes, they should. Oh, crap. Message true value one is probably the most important concept in all of algorithm interviewing. It is extremely powerful and allows you to reduce the time complexity of an algorithm by a factor for a huge amount of problems. If you could take one thing from this course, it should be to master the hash map interface for the programming language you use. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. That's cool. Is it a particular lead code subscription or course, or like what are there different courses, or is it just one thing that they provide or sell? Wait for the event. 24 hours to mark as a conversion. Oh, cool. Go to configure event. This configure events doesn't exist. The heck is this? Oh, crap. Tailor made for you, or like in general questions or concepts, or not concepts, problems. This isn't going to do what I wanted to do. Not today, at least. Verify that as a conversion event. So, like, if I go here, let's say, okay, page view won't be it. But, like, this week or Saturday. Well, everyone learns in different ways to what you're learning. So, where I'm at, they're going to be related to that. Learning is incremental, so you use concepts that you learned early in the course as well. Uh, sounds cool. So like, if I do this, let's just call that, like, use this as an example. Mark as conversion. That's not a thing. View annotations. Share this report. Insights. That. So like, oops. Plot rows? No. Huh. You can brute force any problem and get it to work, but it might be slow, whereas algorithms and data structures can really speed things up. Yeah. Yeah. And you can be the most optimal programmer, a 10x programmer, I think that's what they call it. Um, create a custom one if you want to set it up before any events. Go to configure, create conversion event. Let's just do this. What? Event. How would I make an event? Like, the hook? Oh, good. Thank you for dropping in. The rest of this is gonna be very hard to watch. I'll say that much. Uh, see suggested insights daily. Start from scratch. This is the only place where I can see events at. Events. Let's read about this. Send an event. This isn't gonna. This sucks. There is no. Or tab. Like, what are you talking about? That should already be working. These work. The hero? Does that work? There's a CTA button click, but not a hero. Immediate actions. Test your home page. Check it real time if it's working. These are working. Is there any way I can check it like hour by hour? Okay, page view no, but time on page. Let's do scroll depth. In the last 30 minutes. Let's go here. Forty-four and 9 is what I'm looking at. Wait. Scroll depth. 100. Are these working? Two. Because there's something here. This. Okay. Where does scroll depth happen? Okay, here. These are working, right? Yes. 5543. 555. I just triggered that. Okay. Huh. Okay. This is probably very like different or like not programming related. So this is probably like terrible to watch. My bad. But I'm also learning in real time for someone that like hasn't seen this before. So maybe you can learn something. Learn what not to do. Like how much experience do you have in this analytics stuff? I've never seen anything like this before. I need to. Is it similar? Around about the same? Oh, you build out your own? Hmm. Wait, isn't this another company? I see this privacy first Google Analytics alternative. Okay, never mind. Okay. Hmm. This is a cool concept though. But isn't it? Isn't that a third? I don't understand how data works or how people look at privacy or data privacy. I don't understand it because this is okay. Whatever helps people feel safe. Sure. Mark. Uh. No. Are being sent there. The key thing to remember is reactive. It only shows you that have actually happened. So once someone submits their first, you'll see the event appear, and then you can mark it as a conversion. How do you mark things? You're absolutely right. Has updated its interface and navigation. If you send data to Google Analytics, Google as a company knows all that data. Yeah, that's how data works. If I host on my own server, but who is Matomo? That's my question. Who are they? Don't they see that as well? Someone could just say, "Hey, I'm not seeing it," but still be seeing it. People lie. Companies lie. Let me look at this again. Wait a second. That Chrome. Chrome is also open source. Chromium is also open source. You see, whatever. Like I said, whatever helps people feel safe. If people want to hate Google, let people hate Google. Some people just want. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. People have gone on crusades to de-Googleify my life. Like what? um, its interface. Let me guide you through the current one to find it. Find events, reports, events. Go to reports. Click engagement. Yes. Then under events, you'll see all that has been triggered. Option two. If you still don't see events, check your property. No, check your permissions to set up conversions, reports. Wait, what? Reports. This is especially important for example in stuff that needs privacy like healthcare or similar stuff. Where you just set it up? Left should be direct or click what? This is not a thing. Okay, wait. Maybe I'm not looking hard enough. Maybe I'm not looking hard enough. Library? Create new report? Create new conversion. How the heck? As for companies can lie, the point of open source is that source is there to view so anyone can and people do audit it just like Linux. Whatever helps people feel safe. Um con- conversion. Hold up. Let's go back here. Report snapshot. Real-time pages. Now Firebase. Engagement. Events. Retention. This is insane. Overview. This is a lot of data at once and it's not making sense. There's nowhere. There is no place that says conversions. Yeah, because I don't know where this conversion thing is. It's not making sense. Has different interfaces in the conversion section doesn't appear until certain conditions are met. Let me walk you through what's happening and how to solve it. Isn't showing. Always appears after you have a conversion after you have conversion events. It's hidden. What? This is stupid. I'm trying to set up whatever a conversion is, and I don't even know it's hidden. This is normal behavior, current interface. I'm seeing something like that. Yes. This changes once you mark events as conversions. How to create your first conversion through admin. Click admin. Wait, what? Let's go back to home. Ah, crap. I lost admin. Oh, does anyone on here say conversions? No. Property, data display, events. This is the like first semblance of anything called conversion. Convert. Demo opened. Key events. Um, in the middle. Oops. Property. Scroll down. Look for goals. All right. Oh, wait. In the middle column, scroll down. Look for goals. The interface that Claude is telling me to click doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. Or it's hidden for some stupid reason. Oh, this is normal practices. We're telling you to do something even though it doesn't even exist. Like what? I'm gonna create something. The event name is going to be, if not there, look for events. Okay, cool. So me just looking around did it. Okay, reports. Engage. What? To appear? Look for events. Create one from there. I'm gonna copy that. Mark as key event. And no. Create without code. Do that. It's a form submit kind of thing. More options. Add modification. No. Manual creation, data settings. Ooh, we. Sizzle, have you already been subscribed to my YouTube? At this point, I'm kind of like, it, I'm just kind of chilling right now. Like, I'm not. This isn't even coding. This is like something stupid. Huh? Through admin. Oh, because I was about to say, I've never seen you on YouTube before. Look for events. Would I be able to create? Wait, stay here. Let's discard it. Okay. URL. How? Demo open. Form field completed. Track it. Form submit track event. That page section. Close event category. I don't think maybe at this point. Eh. Um where in here says conversion though? This is authentication. Should oh, and what kind of URL should be provided there? There isn't anything. Well, I guess the URL would be this. Okay, that makes sense. Provide the name and install. I don't want to do that. Form submit. Create. Let's see what this does. Event attribution. What the heck is this? No. Custom configurations. Recent events. Let me look at all of mine. Key events. Something isn't showing up. Demo request submitted. Okay. Let's actually go back to reports, engagement, events. Still nothing. Huh. Let's try it again. Uh, so I'm doing that at the right thing, I believe. Or maybe I need to refresh that. Do it again. Maybe my problem is I haven't refreshed it. Uh-oh. Huh. I knew this was gonna be difficult, but like not this kind of difficult. Not like just unnecessarily just like annoyingly difficult. To where things don't make sense. I see why Google stock is down. Yeah, that'd be fun. What? Uh. Where did I see all of my other ones? Property details. That's not it. Events. Or conversions near the bottom. I'd have to see if there's an API out there for that because ain't no way I'm writing endpoints for that. I think there is. I believe there is. How do I get to my other ones? Please. I'm sorry for the stream being just so boring and just like unproductive. I feel like I'm just like wasting time. I'm trying to fight with Google Analytics. This is why Meta is better. This is why Meta is like being is like a higher stock price, not a higher stock price, but like gaining more than Google right now. Because of stupid stuff like this, nobody wants to deal with this. I'm trying to make okay. I'm trying to set up analytics on my page, but it's telling me to do something that it's already written code for, but like it's telling me to do something that isn't even possible. So like trying to make this a conversion, I don't know what this is. While all of my other like analytic things are being tracked in real time, I don't see a goal, conversion, Lionel Messi, Ronaldo. I don't see anything on this page. All I see are events. And there's nothing else. I still don't know what you don't I don't understand what you're saying. Um event. How would I revert it? Is there any way to go to 3? Why would they even have this? What's the thought process? Just to piss people off? How do I make a key event then? Because I can do that from here. Please work. Don't do that. There's another tab, and I forgot how to get to it, where I can see all of my other ones. Oh, recents. Sorry. Like this one, market, uh, key events. Sorry. Choose an event that measures an important one. Let's go this one, this one, this one. These are all key events. Hold up. Wait. This is for sure a key event, but I'm not sure what triggers this in this page. Oh, primary or secondary. Interesting. What in here is marked as primary? Oh. Oh. That's cool. Wait. Huh? Why is it so high? Oh, my bad. This is starting to make sense now. A little bit of sense. Choose that hero. Which one? Access platform. I shouldn't have that. I should have that. I shouldn't have that right there. I shouldn't have access platform. I should instead have request access on demo click. Uh, request access and just have that be that. What does that look like? Yeah, that's a whole lot better. It makes a whole lot more sense. Oops. And then do something like that. That's great. On demo button click. Cause yes, it yes, it does that. Mm, I need to clean that up. Personal. Really just trying to like figure out a lot of things that go into building an app that people actually use on a daily basis. Like I'm starting to use it at work, and some of my coworkers are starting to be like intrigued about it, and it's a weird feeling because like it's not like ready to like fully show other people, but it's a good feeling to be like, that's cool that people like it's actually useful enough for me that it's enticing other people to ask questions about it. Let's go back here. Oh, the reason why I wasn't following it is because I'm trying to figure out which one is which button is associated with which one of these. That's why I'm not following this just yet because I haven't reached that step yet. First, I need to yeah. I'm trying to figure out the naming, which I may because it's very like interwoven and like thought out already. I may ask Claude to just go ahead and rename all this stuff because I don't want to like have double key events. Yeah, I'll mark that. Oh crap! It's here. It's here. It's here. It's here. Now this is a big milestone. This is very important. It said it was going to take 24 hours, and I did not want it to take 24 hours. I don't care anything about that. Request access. Request. Request. Demo request access. Let's do that. Now going back here, they're both the same. No, they're not. On demo, that goes back to here. On button click, where is this used at? But this is used other places. I think I'm okay with just doing that. Request access. Yes. Thank you, Copilot. That shouldn't cause any problems. So, what else would I need? I don't think opened, closed. All I need is this. Just I'm triple checking this. This. And where is this? That's an event as well. Are these primary buttons? Primary? And then going back down here. I need that to oh. It's not primary there. It's primary there, right? No events are live. I'm confused on what you mean by that. Button type. Wait a second. By checking button type, is this checking the class or this? Just to be safe, I'm gonna do that. Hmm. Going back here. I think this is good enough. I may also be able to. It's just not important anymore. It's not even being used anymore. It's not even in the code. How do I delete this? Page view not important. Scroll depth kind of important. Time on page important. Important. First visit is also important. All of these are important. This sucks. Okay, I think I'm done with figuring out which one is important. All right, now I can go with the guide. Guide, take me. Actually, wait. Create a new conversion from that. Click goals. Why is this? Hello? Ads.google. What the heck? It's not allowing incognito. What? Is it because pop-ups? No. Take me. You do not have. Would you like to create one? Yes. Wait. Add business information. Blah, 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 blah. Am I really gonna have to start this live on stream? I don't want to do this. Plus, like, one, I don't want to do this on stream. Two, I don't want to do this at all. Oh, no. This is called. This sucks. This is my phone number or something? The heck is this? your app download page after clicking your ad. Okay. Massive multiplayer online games. Let's do it. Describe your business to better to get better campaign suggestions. I don't know what that means. To suggest it to other people. Google will use this to personalize your campaign and find the right audience. Describe what makes your business unique. This is like a prompt within itself. No human could do this optimally. We're not just another blah blah blah. We're an expert guidance in the thermal industry. We provide the tool. How did this do this? We provide we provide the tools and knowledge you need to optimize your manufacturing operations, from programming and development to understanding the intricacies of day trading. Oh nah, it was doing so well in the beginning. What is this? Uh, what I currently have to describe my business in a Google campaign setup. This sucks. Projects, operator. What? Done it already? Okay. What are my other projects? Oh, how else? What would you change to give me the best description possible? I took a look at your. Oh crap! Digitizes thermoforming manufacturing operations. Exclude numbers. Stronger impact words. Digitizes our platform, replaces paper-based workflows, dramatically reduces setup time, and accelerates get digital recipe management and integrated training. Join leading manufacturers. who already streamlined their processes with our. What's the difference? Eliminates slashes. Ooh, slashes. Um, get um. I can't get the phrase hash slinging slasher out of my brain now. Anyways, get digital recipe management, real time and integrated. Join who already transformed. Both versions maintain the concrete. That one. Slashes. It got me. And it's shorter than what it gave me initially. More concise. Uh, what specific products or services are you advertising in this campaign? Hand painted sneakers for toddlers. Let's go. Uh, just gonna use AI for this whole thing. What specific product would mm, uh, these don't really hit. Wait, the question is, are you advertising as a solution, or do you want to focus on specific components? Typically get better results by focusing on one primary pain point, target thermoforming recipe, or digital operator training, recipe management system, educational. Do that. Paperless operations, knowledge sharing platform, digital. This is kind of insane. I've never gotten this far in building an application, and I don't know how this is gonna go. I really don't. This could just blow up in my face. Uh, I think that's good enough. I don't know. I think I can. The heck was that? Like a YouTube channel? I'm not linking this to this YouTube channel. Hold up. Do I have to make another one? Mm, If your app has both, nope. The Netherlands. I kind of don't want it. Enter the URL. Choose how you want to measure purchase conversions so that maybe that's why the conversion thing wasn't showing up was because I didn't have an ad account. Oh, choose how you want to measure. Do I even want to do that? So that Google Ads can optimize to achieve this goal. Enter the URL that someone reaches. What is? It would probably be once I sign in. It'll probably be. Oh, I need to have a dashboard URL. It'll probably be dashboard. Set up manually using code. The heck is this? I'm not setting anything up manually right now. What is this? Submit lead form. A potential customer. Your goal. Uh, get video views and build consideration. App downloads, leads, get directions, book appointments, signups, add to cart. Wow, this is really robust. Rotund, even. Let's send people to this URL after they fill out this form. Let's have that be the end goal. Let's do that. Wee. Is this B? Oh, this sounded like B. Hold up. Why did she? O- Okay. I'm down with it though. Okay, this doesn't sound like B anymore. Next. What? Define who should see your ads? What are some words or phrases people use when searching for your thermoforming, warehousing? Do people even use Google search anymore? Like what? Uh, hold up. Thermoforming for sure. I wait, wait. Not on no. Not in the app. No. But I think this is making me set up something so that other people know that I have an app. I'm not gonna have ads in the app, but I think this is setting up so that people know like I'm being like broadcasted to other people on like Google search and YouTube and the Play Store and stuff like that. That's how you find out. Um no, no, both. Not both. Under review. What do you mean? What do you mean it's under review? I didn't say anything bad. What? Oops. Operation. Forming. Uh, dang. Food packaging. manufacturing. Manufacturing engineers. What? Something about paperless. Something about paperless. Ooh. Based on what they search, such as keywords. I'm becoming a better prompter. Thermoforming training. Operator training. Manufacturing. Okay, this is a lot better. Wow, it's a lot better. These don't really. Paperless manufacturing? No. Manufacturing process standard. Jeez. Uh, reduce thermoforming setup time. Thermoforming quality control. Production data collection. Eliminate paper logs. Standardize manufacturing process. Best practices. Ooh, that's fire. Oh my gosh, Claude, you are outdoing yourself. My goodness. Plastics manufacturing training. Vacuum forming training. Packaging. I think that's it from here. Ooh, wee. Job title targeting. Thermoforming. Operator training. Thermoforming training. Thermoforming operator training. I don't have that yet. Manufacturing. Supervisor software. Production manager tools. Company type targeting. Thermoforming manufacturers. Ah, that's not what people type. That's not the no. That's not what people type. Free. I like free. DIY hobby. Unrelated to manufacturing. Okay. Mm, mm, No, I reached the limit. Oh, operational frustration keywords. Production data missing. Paperwork errors can't find. Thermofying procedures. Operator training documentation. Tribal knowledge. What? What? No one searches that. You know that's a thing, but no one searches that. Thermofying knowledge management. Ugh. Mm, Trim. Old setup. No. Pressure forming procedures. Material handling. Cooling tower thermoforming. How to train new thermoforming operators. How to train new operators. Train new operators. Standardize. I think this is good. I think this is okay. More settings, language, English, and Spanish. Because eventually, pretty soon, it's going to have Spanish. So where do I go from here? The heck? Hello? What the heck? What's on this page? Where do I advance? Did all this break? Hold on, I'll be right back. You know the drill. Santa. Hey. 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 All right, that's about enough. I can't go anywhere. I'm so mad because I have to. I'm gonna have to restart that page. That sucks. Wait a second. They all came from this. So just paste them back. Software. I told myself that I was gonna stop like computer work at 7. I'm probably gonna last till like 7:30. Yeah, I really have to like focus now that I'm melons. Mm-hmm. Ah, for some reason, I just feel so good today. What did that say? I'm kind of taking cues that if they have green arrows by them, they're probably good. Like you should probably like hone in on these search terms and just make different variations of them. Well, I'm hovering over this, and it means that this search term is expected to improve your reach. Yeah. Wait, this may be a thing. Oh, okay. This is annoying. So it says add search terms up to 50, but if I have more than whatever, like this next goes away. That's annoying. Kinda do. Kinda do. Thermoforming operator training. Wait, equipment training? No. Um, this. This is good. And this is good too. I only have room for, I think, one more. This sucks. You will see after a while which terms to get, and then you can improve these. Yeah. I'm just focused on getting like this page to be good. Like, wait, that. This sucks. But that's kind of kind of do. Oh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Because I was thinking like, okay, I'm in America, but you're right. All of them, even Mars. Wait, what did I just do? What? Create an ad to generate leads for your business? I don't want to do that right now. Oh, this is why Google Forms exists. Beat them into submission. Submission message. I wonder if ads like actually work. I don't think ads have ever worked on me. This. They literally don't work. I don't remember ever seeing one. I didn't watch TV before I got like, mm-mm. That didn't go in. As for Apple, it's really network effects as to why, which is that's not that okay. Fine. Then where are these ad affected people? Who actually like who does that? Wait, wait. You just triggered that in my brain. The things that we used to make are now ads. Hey, what's up? What's up? How you doing? How you doing? But like I come from like the era where memes, you should read up on them. Memes were literally on sites that couldn't run ads. It couldn't. Like, what? Memes were so specific to a certain like demographic of people. But I came from the generation of people that made memes. Real memes, not just the jokey memes that you see, like memes. Like, okay, but what I'm saying, do you understand what I'm saying though? How did the refactoring go? Let me wait. Let's go. Let's take a brief detour. Hold up. Sorry. That one was instant. I'm sorry. I couldn't help that one. Oh, thanks, Anthropic. It took an hour. What the heck? Has a scientific meaning? It had that meaning before the meaning you know is an idea, behavior, or style that spreads by means of imitation. From person to person within a culture, and often carries a symbolic meaning representing a particular phenomenon or theme. Wait, you're describing what I interpret to be a meme, but this is more overarching. Wait, so I only understand like a subset of what the real meaning of meme means? A unit for carrying cultural ideas, symbols, or practices that can be transmitted from one mind to another through writing, speech, gestures, rituals, or other imit with a mimic theme. What? Memetics? I didn't know how much I didn't know, but now I know how much I didn't know, and I don't know anything. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, this is too long. Wait, I gotta focus up. Wait, hold up. I'm traumatized now. Every time that I hear water leaking, like a droplet of water, I'm scared now. I'm traumatized. Eliminates paper workflows and slashes. Thermoforming setup time. Crap. Intentionally bad music? Why can't any of this be optional? Please share that in the music channel, please. Work information. Oh, I'm ready for it. I'm ready. Yeah. Job title. I found it. There's a story, so I'm gonna send the lore too. Oh, I'm ready. It's probably gonna be the best song. Download collected. What? Send lead form data directly to. Oh, okay. More volume. Optimize for leads with higher intent. Yeah. Yeah. What did I do wrong? Oh, privacy policy URL. Okay, let's make one. Wait, Google cares about privacy? I just noticed that. You're not gonna fool me. call outs. I don't understand what this is. Call out text. The heck is this? Headline. Sorry. Man. Your strategy determines I'm getting leads, conversions, conversion value. What the what? Show a target return on ad spend? What? Conversion value. Uh I really don't care. Jeez. What the heck? Ah, crap. Install. Wait, there's more? Hold on, let me try this. Wait. Import and build. Let's see if that works. Probably would help to take all of those out. Only hosting. Okay. I am now in the final stretches of this thing. Wow. Learn. Kind of don't care right now about all this tour stuff. Oh, what am I exposing? What? I never thought that I would get to this stage of web development. Can I take the guide again? Dang it. Anyways, I'm here now. Why? So I did all that for nothing? Hold up, what? This makes sense. Wow. Now this makes sense. You're receiving this email because our that your is what? Why? The heck? What the heck? What? Well, what? Just take it off. All right. Manage payment methods. Take this off of here. How about now? I think I just paid Google $10 for no reason. It just scammed me out of $10. Oh. I have a balance due of -10. Well, that is now. Where are we? That is now more money to put towards what is that called? What is that called? Ads. The heck? Alright. How do I change that? Yes.
Sorry. Which one is the one? This is the one with negative. Okay, cool. They got me for leaving Gemini. Oh, he slapped me on the way out the door. Easily manage. What? Why is that inactive? Apply account. Wait. To use what? You need. Uh, oh, what is this? Is this what submit lead? No, 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 that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. Oh my gosh. What? All right. Oh, what happened? What just happened? Oh, change counting method. So engagement. It's still not on here. All this stuff sounds like off-brand Kendrick. The heck? Ah, crap. All right, I gotta set this up so that I'm actually getting emails or at least something from here. Hold up, or else I'll just lose all this stuff for free. Data display. I think. Wait. Goals summary. Goals. All right, hold up. Goals summary. Create that. Hey, what's up, Johnny? I'm tracking. Can I not do that too? I think I can do that. How about that? Uh, there. Link it. No, no, oh, no, no, no. I don't. This isn't fair. Ooh, wee. Oh, what did I say? Alright. Form submission. There. That. Wait. If you track leads, if you, I don't understand that. Just like how many conversions? Okay. Let me out. I don't know. Oh. I'm kind of confused. I don't know if I should add that. If I should keep this here or add that here. You need to add tags for. Oh. Oh. By visiting or by clicking the appropriate element. What do you mean? What if? Hold on, let me go back here. Tag setup, tag manager, install it myself. What? Okay. Hey, stop that. Okay. There's a thing. Can I make this a thing? Ooh, this cannot be a thing. This can't be a thing. Home. Uh, submit. On submit request a demo. Here. Track that. In doing that, can I do that? I want to let go of that. But then also, this sucks. Why do I do that? No.
Oh no. Let me get this out of there. Okay. No, 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 no. Please don't do this. Please stop doing that. I don't know if this is gonna work because it's so fresh. Let's do that. Uh, hmm. I'm not gonna be able to figure this out. Maybe, maybe I do it right here. Fine. I'm not gonna be able to finish this today, unfortunately. I'm just gonna have to say, oh well, oh well. This was fun, but I didn't program today, so I don't know. But I'll be on tomorrow. Um, thanks for watching.